everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for DPClubs. So let's get started. We have two pre-stamped, or two cross-stitch, shall I say. And the first one was $11.99. It is a 40 by 40. I will put a picture here. Let's get this out of the bag. Okay, get rid of the crinkle papers. It does come with a very small toolkit. It has a needle threader, 5 needles, a poof ball, and a thimble. And it does have a big picture here. Now this, see what I mean? The picture was not really good. That's why I wanted you to see what I actually saw on the website. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It does have instructions for beginners on it. And it's 2 pages. So, yeah, not too bad. It has 38 colors in it. I thought it was quite beautiful, and it is square. So, yeah. It has 310, 823 in it, no 939, no 3371, and it does have 3865. So yeah, now that background color is 3770, which is kind of a tan color, if you will. Now this whole pattern will match the canvas. So yeah, it's nice and big. I mean, I could read it if I had to. You know, you could use a magnifying glass, or you could blow it up if you felt you needed. But since everything matches, it's so much easier just to see it on the canvas. Canvas looks pretty clear. Let's take a look at the colors. I love it when they put them in bags. And this bag does have the product number. The 1021 is right here on the canvas. So if you keep your thread separate and in a bag, then you'll know what kit it goes to. It does have an entire big thing of the 3770, which is that yellow part for the background. And like I said, it's not too terribly big, and I do like the colors in it. They're kind of muted. Can't believe that there's 39 colors in there. We have some buff color and the 3865. See if I can get this out of my way, and then I'll shake this bunch down, making sure there's nothing else. Lots of blues, shades of blue. We've got blue and brown and kind of a, I don't know what that is. It's kind of a rusty brown. And some golds. What a beautiful color of blue. Yeah, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, possibly 8, 9 shades of blue in this. And some cream to kind of offset it all. Just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Aren't they pretty? Loving it. Give it a twist, and then we'll wrap everything up. Everything up. We don't want to lose anything. Keep it all together. Move that out of my way. Let's take a look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. Nice, big, easy to read symbols. I will hold that as still as I possibly can, but you always have your paper pattern that you can consult if you can't read a pattern. If you can't read a symbol. Gee, Nelly, I'm losing my brain. So yeah, it'll be interesting. It's got some confetti in it, I'll give it that much. especially in these flowers and this mandala thing going on down here. But yeah, it does have some big areas and like edging areas. Let's see how big it is. It is 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters. That's what it said it was going to be. Actual picture size is about 13 and a quarter, which is a little over 33 and a half centimeters by 33 and a half centimeters, a little over 13. So about 13 and a quarter by 13 and a quarter inches. So yeah, I just thought it was different and had beautiful, beautiful colors. Just love these flowers in these things. Very well printed, very nice. This is kind of a heavy canvas. Sometimes the smaller they are, the heavier the canvas are. And I've also gotten some that were real fine and pliable. But you'd have to crunch that puppy down a little bit. It's a little stiff. Yeah, beautiful. Now the next one I got is a little bit different. It is a 40 by 56 centimeters. And it was $14.99. And I'll show you what is different about it. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. My goodness. Okay, get rid of that bag. I will put a picture of it here. All right. As you can see, it's birds on the birdhouse. Same kind of a big pattern. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Isn't that pretty? Has 40 colors. Very nice big pattern. Very, very easy to read. It is full coverage, which is kind of bizarre, but okay. I mean, I thought it was a partial. Just by looking at this picture, I thought it was a partial. So it evidently has some things going along in the background here. But what makes this different is this is a counted cross stitch. And I've never seen one of these in person, so I wanted to see what it looked like and how good it was. It does have a nice big key. All of this, I would say, is going to match over here. All the symbols will match this. All this on this key is the colors that you use. But you're going to do counted cross stitch with this. So, yeah. Let's see what the colors look like. Oh, it does have a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. Couldn't think what I wanted to say. Lots and lots of threads. Well, if I can figure out how to get it open. Now, it has, of course I folded that edge in, right? The colors have a little bit of 310, some 666 red, 823, no 939, and no 3771. You have an extra skein of 3865. Guess those are all different. I would have to see. Where is it? Come here, you. 762 is that other color that I told you for the white. Ish. One is more cream and the other one's kind of a gray color. And you have a beautiful purple here, pale purple, which is 3743. And another one, which is 3756. So, it was hard to say after saying 3865. Geez. So lots of extra thread there. Let's take a look at the colors. Trying to get everybody to shake down. So you have some peach and some orange, and then your 3865. There's only one because you get a whole skein of it. And there, speaking of skeins, there are 2 skeins attached to this one of 961 and 838. Just beautiful, beautiful colors for the birds and everything. Lots of pretty purples. You have kind of a mulberry color, and then some reds, like an orangish red over here. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. So, yeah. Now, like I said, this one was $14.99, so yay. It's a little bit bigger. I'm trying to get all the threads all wrapped. Wrapped here. Put that up there. Let's look at the canvas. Now it does have, you know, your, what is that? I want to say grafting, but I don't think that's where it marks everything off by 10 in both directions. It is serged all the way around. Nice big key. Now the threading does go a little bit into the numbers, but you have your paper pattern. But you can see the symbols all very nice and clear and dark. So, yeah, different. It is an 11 count canvas. Yeah, so that should be, like, interesting. Not real sure. I assumed that it was, I guess, in a way. So you might want to only just stitch the birdhouse and everything that goes with it and leave the background off. It's all up to you, you know, pretty much. But yeah, different, huh? I'd never seen one of those in action, so to speak. So, yeah. Now, DPClubs has diamond painting and cross stitch. They also do crafts for both of those. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. They also have diamond painting. And they have tools for diamond painting, cross stitch, and I'm not sure about the paint by number. Sometimes they carry brushes or frames or stretcher bars or stuff, you know, all different kinds of stuff for paint by number. They usually have, I think I have a 15% off discount code. If so, I will put it in the description box below. If they have any buy one, get one, that kind of thing. Any specialties going on, or any specialties of their shipping beings, you know, after so much, get so much, get your shipping free. Usually it's somewhere between $40 and $60. So I will put all that information down in the description box below. Thank you, DPClubs, for sending me all these kits both times. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.